And it's 5 ingredients in ice cream. I've
Don't
got
you love it?
Yeah, a cup of sugar, and I went out and stole a couple eggs from the chicken.
She's getting nicer about it, isn't she?
She is. She doesn't mind now if I give her something good to eat. I'm gonna go ahead and get these eggs mixed in with
She was wild. I mean, she would not.
Yes,
Now that she's contained,
yes. She's a good girl, and she knows I'm not there to get her. I have a cup of vitamin D milk, 2 cups of heavy whipping cream.
yep, gotta have the
I
cream.
have heavy whipping cream. And we're just making vanilla ice cream, and that's it. That's the 5 ingredients.
And you can't believe it's one of those things that you think, how can these few ingredients turn into something so pleasant and wonderful?
That's right. And you and I don't have to sit and turn the machine.
Exactly.
Remember as a kid, it took forever to, didn't it?
Oh, it did.
Like you start it in the morning, and it was like it took all day. All right, here's the middle of our ice cream pan, and this I've had in the freezer.
Right.
And all I'm gonna do is pour all of my mixture in here. It came with a little lid, and I'm gonna drop it in here. And it has a little slot that it kind of hooks in so it doesn't go anywhere. It has a twister. Now this little lid will go on top of here, and every ice cream maker is different, and that's what's gonna hold that piece in place for us. We have our top, which we're gonna plug in a minute. But another thing we have to have is I have some rock salt that I bought.
Don't forget the salt.
All right, I'm gonna put a layer of ice. And now we do a little bit of rock salt. You can buy this at the store too. And you gotta have this. This is what makes it freeze up.
Gotta have salt.
Gotta have that rock salt.
So we're just gonna do a little bit of ice, a little bit of salt, a little bit of ice, a little bit of salt.
Just keep layering it, and each machine will tell you what it wants different. All right, this is ready. I'm gonna take this into the atrium and plug it in so it's not loud. How's that?
There you go.
And look at this ice cream.
Homemade ice cream? You gotta be kidding me.
Does that look beautiful?
At that. Look at that.
I'm excited. I could eat all that.
Let's get some of that out.
I never want store-bought again.
Look at that. Look at that. Are you kidding me?
You got enough?
All right, so I want a little bit of ice cream, a little bit of pear, a little bit of drizzle. I'll tell you what that is. That's magic. Oh,
Oh, wow.
that is magic.
I feel like a kid again making ice cream.